Good morning, Texans. It is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Today is Administrative Professionals Day. Now, what does that look like at Northwest High School? We have a group of ladies we affectionately call our office divas. It consists of all of our ladies who work in our main offices, the West office, the East office, the counseling office, and Midtown. And so we're celebrating them today. Today I am wearing my honorary diva shirt to celebrate the administrative professionals who are in all of our offices. These are the people who really keep our school running, and even behind the scenes right now in our current situation, they are keeping our schools running, and so we are very grateful for them. Additionally, today is National Library Week, and so we want to celebrate our librarians, and we want to celebrate the fact that we have a great library and that we are reading books daily and emphasizing literacy. So as you see Miss Leroy, our librarian, or Miss Vandegrift, our library aide around, or have the opportunity to give them a shout out on social media, I know they surely would appreciate that as well. And we appreciate both of them for keeping our library awesome at Northwest High School. Today is Earth Day, and your Texan Student Council wants you to put on a green shirt, take a selfie, and post that on your favorite social media channel, and make sure you mention Texan Stuco as you do that. So we appreciate our Texan Stuco. They have done a lot of things during this closure to keep our student body engaged, to keep our staff engaged, and just to keep everybody's spirits up. And so we're really grateful to them for that. So please participate in their Earth Day activities today. I'm going to go dig up a green shirt and try to help out as well. And this week is FFA Spirit Week. I've not done a good job of posting that here. Monday was wear your FFA shirt day. I'm probably going to do that tomorrow so that I can kind of join in late on that party. But there are different activities that are going on with our Future Farmers of America, our FFA, celebrating FFA and doing lots of different things with social media posts and that kind of thing. And so that's really fun as well. We appreciate that group. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you make this a wonderful Wednesday.